I'm in Puerto Vallarta. Where are you? First stop in Mexico, you already know we got the boy here hooking it up with, well, which one are we taking? ATVs? Nope. Razor, might take the Range Rover, but not fast enough. This is the bike. So hopefully I don't die, but this thing, how fast does this go?
Fastest it's gonna do, it's gonna take you 80 miles an hour, so 250cc guys, $70 US a day. Guys, you're gonna have the best time here in Vallarta, Mexico. This is the best way to travel right here. Wherever you wanna go, whatever you wanna see, best way to do it on 2 wheels, guys.
Boom, about to be having some fun. Hopefully I can drive it safe, pop some wheelies. This thing looks just intense. If I had more people, I'd take that. That would be so sick. Next time. For now, this is the move. Now I'm gonna go check into the hotel and then we gotta go and surprise the fam. All right, after getting lost twice on the motorcycle, being stuck, actually looping somehow back around, like going 30 minutes in the opposite direction, which makes no sense because I have followed the GPS. I don't know. It loses service and then it doesn't tell me where to go because there's no service here. But we checked in, got my suite here. This is actually so fucking sick. The bathtub, the doors open and whatnot, kitchen area. It's gonna be a good spot to work, get some stuff done. Got my helmet for the motorcycle. If the police pull you over, all you gotta do is give them 200 pesos, which is like 20, 30 bucks, and then you're clear to go, which is really fun. But look at this place we're staying at, so. Look at this view. Oh man. Yeah, this'll do for the next few days. I'm down here, my family does not know I'm here. So they're actually down here for spring break, both my mom, my dad, and my sister. Unfortunately, they're staying like an hour and a half up the coast, so I might ride the bike up there to go surprise them or do something, so that'll definitely be in the video. Definitely gotta get that on footage somehow, but that's why I'm out here. So super last minute trip, I booked everything like I think 12 to 14 hours ago, and now I'm already here. So crazy to see all of that. This room's amazing. Excited to get some work done, film some content, run a ton of Facebook ads for all these stores that we got popping off. So super excited for this, you guys. Hope you enjoy this video out in Mexico. We're gonna do a ton of shenanigans. Definitely jumping on some jet skis, gonna grab some ATVs, go up into the mountains and stuff. So let's see where it takes us.
Hey man.
Hey, what's up?
You're dressed like I was dressed a few minutes ago.
Hola.
Hola. What are you guys up to?
Weird. Chilling.
You know, it's tough. We took the kayaks out. It was a tough decision between kayak, paddleboard, after playing with rescue dogs on a property. And it's tough. Do we go on the upper deck, that's huge, or do we go on the middle deck?
It's so tough, isn't it? I'm having a little dilemma too. I can't decide which pool to go in at my suite in Puerto Vallarta.
For what?
I'm in Puerto Vallarta. Where are you?
No, you're not.
Yes, I
It
am.
looks like Miami.
Yeah, right. Say no, Miami. This is the Miramar, the Grand Miramar. I booked a flight last night and then went to the airport at like 4 a.m. Gave Abdul my car. He dropped me off, and here I am. You're gonna, hey, I'm telling you, you're gonna be jealous of my car. You're in the middle of nowhere. Yo, that was awesome. Just got to be able to surprise my family, as you guys saw. Hopefully you can hear that all right. It was kind of quiet because the connection's terrible, but my mom was in complete denial. She's like, oh no, that looks like Miami. You know, I was walking through, showing them the place. I showed them the view. Definitely a good surprise. Unfortunately, they're like so far out in the middle of nowhere, but anyways, I'm gonna jump on the motorcycle early tomorrow morning and drive 2 hours. Oh my goodness, to go see them. And it's like cobblestone, like legitimate cobblestone roads here. So it's not like exactly the best driving, but I'm gonna try and cut that down to about 100 or an hour and 30 by weaving a little bit in the motorcycle. So hopefully I don't die, but we'll see. I gotta go crush this workout because the gym closes in about an hour and a half. Gotta crush that workout every single day. Stay chasing your goals, guys, and we'll see where this takes us next. And good morning, everyone. Just like that, it's the next day at about 8 a.m. I've been up for the last 2 hours working, hit the gym, jumped in the pool to wake up, about to go see if I can find some breakfast without having to leave the resort complex. Then got a 2-hour bike ride, gonna go see my family, stay there for the night. So unfortunately, have this beautiful suite and stuff, not even gonna get to use it for the next 2 days. But it's all good. And then so I'm gonna hang out there for like a day and a half or so, and then they're gonna come down here for a day. It's not too nice out today. It's a little bit overcast, but as you can see, still lovely. It's starting to clear up. So this should be fun. Hopefully this 2-hour motorcycle ride goes safely. Whoa, it's kind of, now you can see me. Hopefully I don't get hit by anyone. Hopefully I can actually use my earbuds. I'm gonna try and listen to a few podcasts along the way. I heard with Mexican police, just give them 200 pesos and you're good to go. So hopefully that goes well. I got plenty of pesos. Other than that, I woke up at like 4 a.m. throwing up because of what I'm gonna assume was my dinner last night, which was one of the best meals I've ever had. But I feel great now. So anyways, I'm gonna throw up a little picture. This dinner was so good. Like one of the best little, oh my God, it was amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast and then hit the road, so I'll catch you guys along the way. Ah, we are out here. Got the legendary man himself. Got my sister, what's up, and her friend that she brought along. Hey, no, no sand at the camera. Oh, wait, no, that's my, never mind. Sister, friend, the man Scott. Oh, we got mom, NASCAR. That's Scott. We got Mama Bear all the way over there. But anyways, came and surprised them. They didn't know what vehicle I was on. I pull up on the motorcycle, so now we're out at the beach. Gonna enjoy this a little bit. It wraps around all the way up over there. So yeah, hopefully all my stuff doesn't get stolen because I have a lot, both my phones, laptop, iPad, camera stuff, leaving it out. So we'll see. But anyways, definitely a good surprise. They were like, they were shocked I was out here. They didn't believe it at first, so it's definitely interesting. It's good to be out here for a few days, still working and stuff. Thankfully, I do have Wi-Fi, so that's kind of all I need. But anyways, I'm gonna be out here. They're in Los Ayala or wherever we are, like an hour and a half from Puerto Vallarta. So gonna stay up here tonight, and then they're coming down there tomorrow, and they're gonna get a place, or I'm gonna get them a place, or whatever. They're gonna spend the night there, and then come back up here, and then they're leaving in a few days. I leave on Monday. So other than that, we're just gonna have some fun in Mexico. Roll the clips. And look who decided to steal the motorcycle. Oh no. All right. You're not on the insurance policy, so don't crash.
All right. He's up.
How much do you want to bet that we're going to find him in 5 minutes after an accident?
The real question becomes, can I get a jet ski and go out to the island? Is there a jet ski rental place around here?
Probably find one.
On the next beach where we came, right where we got pulled over.
Yeah, that was fun. Good job with that, by the way. Good job. Beautiful, beautiful views up here from the sun deck. That is gonna be wrapping up today's video. I got a little bit sunburn, as always. I got accustomed to LA, so I no longer really get sunburned there, but Mexico's on another level. It's also just insanely hot here. But anyways, had some fun on the jet skis. You guys saw, we just went and grabbed dinner. Yeah. It's been fun first 2 days, day and a half out here in Mexico. Got the chance to surprise the family and just have some fun and travel a little bit. So you guys will be seeing a lot of stuff over the next few weeks. Super excited to bring you guys that content. If you did enjoy this video, I'd appreciate it if you drop a like. And of course, join the family, join the gang by hitting that nice looking subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.